Happy birthday, Grandma. Can you say happy birthday, Grandma? How come? Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Move. Don't move. I need you move. I need you move.
You move.
Move.
Say happy birthday, Grandma. Can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday, Grandma. You can't look. You can't. Connor, you can't see you if it's looking this way. All you see is the hall. See, you can't see nothing except our messy house. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Say I love you, Grandma. Say come see me soon. Say come see me soon.
What's happened, Dom?
What happened? I don't know. Tell Grandma I'm a big boy. And
What's happened, Dom?
I go potty in the potty.
What's happened, Dom?
Oh, Thomas wrecked.
Mommy, what's happened?
Thomas wrecked. Tell Grandma. Con. Con. Tell Grandma I'm a big boy. Are you a big boy or a little boy? Connor, are you a big boy or a little boy? Are you a big boy or a little boy? You're a big boy? Big boy. Are you a big boy that's supposed to be on the back of the couch? Not so much? Tell Grandma, I go potty in the potty?
Mommy, Owie.
Yeah, Mommy has an owie.
Dada, Owie. Mommy, Dada, Owie.
Yeah, does not have an owie, no. Just tell Grandma you got new flip-flops? Got new flip-flops? Say, what's your name? Connor, who are you? Oh, you're bonking noggin. Bonk your noggin. I'm ready. Is that something you're supposed to be doing? Yeah? Okay, say bye-bye, Grandma. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alrighty. Connor, say bye-bye. Say love you. Oh, did you say I love you, Grandma? Say I'm a brat. Are you a brat? I'm ready.